Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here. It is the Cooking with Jack show. Happy holidays. I hope everything's going great for you. I hope you guys are at least decorated and at least the tree's up, and you may not have all the gifts wrapped and everything yet, but I got faith in you. Today's recipe is not mine. I want to give credit to Jen who passed it on. I guess it's a family favorite. She says it's really good. It's called Cranberry Salsa, and I've never heard of it, but I thought, oh, wow, I love salsa. And then cranberries. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of cranberries, but it's the holidays, so you got to make cranberry salsa, right? So we're going to try it out today. We're going to show you how to blend it all up. It's just kind of pulse it, get it all chopped up, throw in all the ingredients, and just come on in close. So one of the things we're going to do is we're not going to show you all the ingredients. Those are listed down below if you need them. If the recipe's not there, write me and tell me, and I'll make sure it's there. Sometimes I forget to put it down below, but it's supposed to be underneath the video, okay? All right, so what we're going to do first off is we're going to start with the stuff that's hardest to get blended, okay? Hardest to blend. So let's get this open right now. All right, guys, so let's throw cranberries in. Those are going to be the hardest ones to pulse. And then also the jalapeños. We're going to put those in there too, because these are going to be the hardest things to kind of chop up. We want to get them started chopping. So when we put everything else in, we're going to be okay. Get all those in. All right, now let's see how this works. Get this plugged. Oops, forgot a jalapeno. Get in there. There we go. Get our baby plugged in. Now remember, as you're putting ingredients into the blender, just remember the safety precaution. When you're putting the next ingredients in, or these ingredients, unplug your device first. All right, we're gonna give it a few pulses, see how it does. All right, we're gonna put our onion in, put everything else in, put our cilantro in, our Ortega green chilies, put those in. Hold on. All right, our sugar. There we go. Get that in there. And then our garlic. Last but not least, get the garlic in there. All right. That's about it, guys. Hold on a minute. Let's see how that goes. You ready? Everything's in there. Boy, this is going to be a quick video. I love, these are like lazy man recipes, okay? But I love these because they're quick and easy. Pretty good, pretty solid. So, I don't know, I guess you eat it with chips. I'm guessing, I didn't ask. I'm guessing this salsa is for chips. So let me go grab some chips so we can try this out. But yeah, it's pretty solid. Look at that. Looks beautiful. You want me to grab it with my bad hand? Oh, it doesn't matter. All right,
obviously it does.
Well, no. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so here we go. We're trying it out right now.
Pretty good.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like cranberry, so
That's good.
I have to go to the salsa queen. You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's pretty good.
Should we save it and eat it later?
Sure. Hi, everybody. Okay, I'm gonna go.
All right, go finish doing what you're doing.
Love you.
Anyway, okay, Jen, it's not that it's bad. I don't like cranberries. I never have really. I didn't like cranberry sauce. I don't like cranberries. But I will tell you this. If my wife says it's good, I trust her. She'll tell me she don't like something.
It's not tart like cranberries usually are.
Oh, yeah. She says it's not tart like cranberries usually are. She's right, because it's got all those great spices in with it, okay? It's got a great combination of flavors. So give it a try. That's the recipe. Should be down below. Great little dip for the holidays. And I want to thank Jen. That was very sweet. If you guys got a recipe you want to send me, you know how to get a hold of me. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. I'm on YouTube. I'm everywhere. Just send me the recipe. I'll take a look at it. And if it looks interesting, like this one, I'll give it a try. All right? I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye. That looks really good. Set that down there. Get down, girl. Nope, can't have any of this. Get down, girl. As you can tell, she's gotten a lot bigger. Get down. Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick. Certain people get that joke.